Hello friends, today I'll be making fried rice. I'm going to use a slightly unconventional recipe. A lot of people like to use cooking oil. Instead of that, I'll be using bacon. I'll show you what I got here. I got my pan, my cheese, some chicken. I chopped up some ginger. I got some garlic here, an egg. I'm going to add some veggies. And this is bacon, and this is rice in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Bacon looks pretty well done, or at least it's getting there. I'm going to add the chicken now. You can see all the fat. When you have that much fat, you don't really need to add cooking oil. I'm going to add the ginger, and some garlic here. Now I'm going to add the rice. Now you might be wondering, what about the egg? Don't worry, I'll add the egg. I've got a plan for the egg. The problem with the egg is that it's going to splatter all over the place. So here's what I'm going to do. Bam! Now I've got my egg. And it's not splattering all over the place because this one is hot. And let's kick this up a notch or two. Make this thing hot. And a thought just occurred to me, I should cut this bacon. Here comes the cheese. Cheese and rice. Yeah, I should have some tomatoes in it. Let's make it Mexican. Here comes the healthy salad. Because we all need our dark leafy greens and our B vitamins. Yes, we do. Now for the taste test. It's good. The bacon really gives a lot of flavor. And I cooked the rice pretty good too. It's a pretty good texture. It's brown rice, so use some pepper. The brown rice is crunchy. If I use white rice, I don't think it'd be crunchy. But it's good. Try it home. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.